When I first visited West Virginia, I was struck by the beautiful scenery. But what impacted me the most was the people.
The people of West Virginia are warm and welcoming and have a resilient, unwavering spirit. But some communities in the state are struggling.
Recognizing this, two Berkshire Hathaway companies came together for an unprecedented clean energy investment with the hopes of reviving an economy that has served our country's energy needs for decades.
Partnering with West Virginia policymakers, BHE Renewables and Precision Cast Parts outlined a path for the state to transition to a renewable energy economy.
Fast forward just 1 year, and this transition is already well underway in the small town of Ravenswood, where we're building a first-of-its-kind solar-powered microgrid. BHE Renewables will be powering Precision Cast Parts facility in a new high-impact district using 100% renewable energy.
PCC is proud to be the first company on site with a state-of-the-art titanium melt facility for the aerospace industry. Best of all, this project is just the beginning of what will be a global aerospace manufacturing hub.
Thanks to this groundbreaking partnership between BHE Renewables and Precision Cast Parts, we are well on our way to reviving West Virginia's economy, creating hundreds of jobs, and sparking economic growth across the state.
That's because we're not just investing in clean energy, we're building a better future for the communities we all call home.